I would love to explore this better.
Guys, I have an idea. A long time ago, my scientist grandfather used to have an experimental reducer. I guess that's it. Let's see how it works.
Then see you in your garage in the evening.
Come on, enlarge it quickly.
All changes occur with the help of an invisible magnetic field and a very powerful electric current, which will be enough for our city. That's why...
What's going on?
we are getting smaller!
George, you told us it was a magnifier, but in fact, it was a reducer.
We're lost. No one will find us.
The reducer works with the red crystal, and the magnifier works with the blue one. We might have lost it on our way.
Let's go find it.
We have 2 hours to find the crystal. Otherwise, we cannot return to our previous proportions, the book says.
What an amazing world, right next to us.
And we didn't even know it.
Oh, let's go there.
That's our crystal.
How shall we get there?
Oh no, it doesn't work.
Being small does not mean being uninventive. Just don't drop the crystal. We need it unscathed.
Oi!
Ethan, be careful.
Oh, wow.
Ethan, come on. It will be dark soon.
It's so heavy.
Do you think it's easy to be small? Oh, that's just a leaf.
Being small is scary.
We must return soon or we'll stay small forever.
It's ready. Here we go. Oh, it doesn't work anymore.
And we didn't even have time to explore the ship.
Oh, I love science fiction and I love aliens. And I'm afraid of aliens. Hey, take care now, Arnold. Don't let aliens abduct you on your way home now.
The aliens, well, they would eat up your engine.
Arnold is not afraid of anything. Aliens do not exist anyway. There are no lights in the fields. They do not exist. Ah! Listen, a night camera can film everything that is invisible in the darkness.
Well, that's really cool. I would film ghosts or aliens. They can't be seen in the darkness, you know. That's really cool.
Ghosts and aliens don't exist, Ethan. My camera films only existing objects that can't be seen during the daytime. Hey, George. The aliens want to eat up my engine. You're smart. You know everything. Do you have any alien repellent or something like that? Well, didn't I tell you? Look, George. Please don't let them eat up my engine.
Hey, kids, what's going on?
Hey, Mr. General. Nothing much. Only that aliens have landed here, and they seem to be out and about eating up engines from Fantastic and maybe from Arnold and Sam Sparky as well.
George, please don't let them eat up our engines.
Now listen up, kids. Aliens do not exist. It's just make-believe. So please, I'm asking you to leave the field this instant.
The General knows something.
You know a lot when you're in the military. Hey, George, can we use your camera, please?
Ethan, don't yawn. You're making me yawn too.
I know, it's really contagious.
No, it's not. Not at all.
Alien invasion. Only in Train City. Take a picture with the witness. There were no aliens at all. We know the truth.
We have filmed everything with the camera, and we saw...
Mrs. Dove and me dancing a waltz together. Our only problem is we have no dance pavilion in the city, do we? Now, where on earth are we supposed to learn dancing?
A waltz school. Only in Train City. It's better now?
Yes, my dear. It's much better now.
Yes, everything's in order.
Ethan, let's go. Vera is crying.
What happened?
Okay, go on.
Vera, why are you crying like a girl?
Well, Ethan, she is a girl.
You couldn't understand. It's poetry.
What is that?
What do we have here? And I came to the path of dusk since I lost the only way back. A little rain poured drops of dream and life was running very, very, very badly. The night was willing to show me the stars, the wind was howling too sadly. Loneliness. It was too late to find the price of tears. So what's the problem?
Didn't you understand? This is a very sad poem, Ethan.
Yes, it's so melancholy.
What's so sad?
He can't understand it. He's just a senseless and heartless piece of iron.
Me? This is too much. Am I senseless? Am I heartless? This is just too much. I am most sensitive. I can show them tears. I will show them I can cry. My tears will be everywhere. They will drown in my tears. Just wait and see. Pale and sleepy dandelion, greens and whites. Ahem. Very little kitty. Very little, very, very. Even smaller than a rabbit. And it's raining and it's autumn. Come on, Kitty in Autumn is so melancholy and it's also very sad.
Did you get it, Vera?
It's just some rubbish.
It's not rubbish. Come on, let's go have some fun and play with something.
I'm really not in the mood to play anything.
Well, what mood are you in?
I'm in melancholia.
What is that exactly?
You wouldn't understand it.
Stop saying that. I can understand everything. Everything I want to, all right? Okay, poetry. What do we have here? And I came to the path of dusk. Very good. I am here, and there's some dust. So far, so good. How long is the path? There is no distance here. Okay, what's next? Since I lost the only way back. That's true. I don't know the way back home. Everything is as it says. Everything is right. A little rain for drops of dreams. Hey, it says a little rain. Ow! The night was willing to show me the stars above. The wind was howling sadly.
Ethan, are you home?
I don't know where he is. I'm beginning to be worried about him.
Where can we find him?
Ethan is where you'll hear someone sobbing.
This is what melancholia is. This is when there are no friends, no mother, and when it's 11:30 and I'm alone and I don't know the way back home. I don't know how to get back. Oh, guys! Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy you found me. I was all alone here, and also, I understood how sad the poem really is.
Thank you so much.
See you tomorrow.
You know, I didn't think he was so sensitive.
Well, that's just the power of poetry.
Why would people possibly paint the walls like this?
That's what I'm saying.
Huh?
I fell asleep, and when I woke up, I saw these paintings right here.
Grandpa Billy, I suggest that you don't take any passport photos right now.
This is outrageous.
What?
Shameless. Oh, who did that?
Well, good. We coped with hooliganism, and I think we did fine.
I thought that you were going to make holes in me. So what are we going to do about these hooligans, eh?
Easy now. An investigation is underway.
Who did that to Grandpa Billy?
We'll see after the investigation.
How will we see afterwards?
Well, first of all, they will find traces of the criminal. And with those traces, they will find the criminal himself. Oh.
Here are the traces.
He looks strangely familiar, guys.
So here you are then.
Oh, so here you are then.
So
Then.
This is called graffiti. And it's also called modern art, huh?
Well, it looks more like modern hooliganism to me.
fantastic. You're a good painter. You just need to know where you can and where you cannot paint, and you'll be fine.
And where can I paint?
Well, you know, there are a lot of dull gray fences that you can paint for a start.
Let's make a festival of graffiti here.
That's great. I'll make beautiful paintings right here.
And we will help you. beautiful.
Oh, you are so good. You see, you can spoil the town with paintings, or you can make it more beautiful.
Well, yes, I suppose it's better.
I agree with that, and there's no more paint on Grandpa Billy, at least.
Yeah. Well, if you'll take another look, you'll see that I actually do have some paint on me.
I'm sorry. It's my fault. I didn't notice.
Do you have scour liquid? Or should I keep this paint on for fun?
My blue eyes find everything that's stylish and blue is never out of fashion. I'm happy to say, oh yay.
Good morning, Mom. Why are you so happy today?
I'm on holiday today. Today is Women's Day.
Really? And what do people do on this day?
Nothing special, dear. You just need to make all women feel happy everywhere and fulfill all their desires and their wishes.
What do you wish for?
I want all our friends to gather in our house. That would be so lovely, don't you think?
Well, that's a really simple thing to do.
Don't cry, Vera dear. I'll be back soon. You know what kind of a job I have, no?
But today is a holiday.
I'd rather never have to work and be with you all the time. You know this is an impossible dream.
Yes, hello. Vera's mother doesn't want to go to work with you.
Really? Is that the reason she doesn't want to come?
You know, she wants to stay home and never work ever again.
Great, tell her dream came true. She's fired.
It's so nice to fulfill wishes. It's great, I'm like a wizard.
Since my mother left, I'll try to entertain myself. So, let's see. What's fashionable right now?
Hey, Vera, tell me what you really want.
I want to be the most stylish train, but it seems so hard. Fashion changes all the time. It seems impossible.
Blue is never out of fashion. I'm happy to say, oh yay.
If blue is never out of fashion, then let Vera be blue and the most stylish train of all.
Oh, I want to lose some weight.
Well, you're gonna need to run a lot more if you want to lose some weight. Hey, come over here for a second.
We'll be glad to see you again. Huh? Oh my God! Where is the cash box? Hey, stop there! Stop! Stop right there! Stop! Stop! I tell you!
You're more than welcome. Hello, is George home?
Oh, hi, Ethan. George isn't here. He and his dad left in the morning. Listen, I have a lot of things to do. I need to clean the house, and I also have to bake a pie. And today's a holiday, and I don't have enough wheels to do everything.
We need to help George's mother. Let's cook the pie first. Now let's start cleaning. Oh, good. So the cleaning is done too.
Oh, fire! Fire! Oh!
Now George's mom has a lot of free time. Mom, I forgot about your wish. I'm sorry, Mom.
No, you actually fulfilled it. Go inside and have a look.
They came by themselves because I fulfilled all their wishes.
Say what wishes?
You did such a lot of damage.
Ethan, how could you do that to me? It was very hard for me to fix.
And I thought you were my friend.
But I don't understand. I just did what you wanted. I just fulfilled all your wishes.
That's outrageous.
What a lot of nonsense,
I'm
Ethan.
afraid that women never say what they really want, my boy.
I don't understand that. So what do women really want?
Well, you have your whole life to understand that. You know, I left my work earlier today, and since we're all here, let's celebrate Women's Day together. What do you say? Happy Women's Day.
This is so good. Yes.
This is really nice.
Happy holiday.
Blue really is fashionable, Ethan. I'll stay blue for a little while.
Oh, wow. That's awesome. So many beautiful stars. George, can you tell me what this red planet is?
That's Mars.
It's my turn to look now. It's red indeed. Hey, George, why is Mars so red?
Because there's no water up there. Everything's dried out and turned red.
Poor little Martians. It must be very sad to live without trees and flowers.
Mom, did you know that there's no water on Mars at all? That all the Martians have dried out?
Yes, I know. You can bring them water tomorrow if you want. Good night, sweetie.
I will.
Oh dear, what a sad planet. Not a tree, not a trace of grass, and the heat.
Whoa. Look, those pyramids over there look like an entire town. Whoa.
Guys, we have to explore them. After me.
That feels great. How's my kingdom doing out there? And how is it outside? Is it very hot out there?
Doing bad. The heat is 100 degrees. The rain comes only in 100 years.
And tell me, why are you so dirty, huh? And steaming like that?
I apologize, Your Majesty. I haven't washed for a long time, and I got overheated. There's no water to be found in the kingdom.
Go and chill, and go wash yourself over there. But don't waste too much of my water.
Oh, you are so kind.
Stop hissing, will you? And turn the tap off. Turn it off, I said.
Huh? The water has all dried up.
Get out!
Captain, where are we?
Well, it seems to be a very secret tunnel. Everybody, put the invisible mode on! No water on the surface. And a huge reservoir here in the dungeon. That's very interesting. Let's follow them.
If anybody asks, we didn't see nothing.
Aha! That's how you're wasting our precious water. How could you?
Who's there?
We are the ghosts of the desert.
No water in the kingdom, and he is watering his flowers.
Oh, no, I won't do it anymore. I'm a bit stingy, but I will do it right. I promise. I can go out and water the whole kingdom all by myself right now. Just give me a chance. I'll make it right.
Oh, look how beautiful.
All right then, guys. Our expedition was an incredible success. It's time to go home to our sweet Trans City. Mom, we have saved the whole kingdom up there on Mars, and now it is as beautiful as our home. Well, no. There is no place like home. Oh no, Arnold is late again.
Oh, hi, guys. This is not my fault. My watch was slow.
Oh, was it really? Listen, kids, I'll tell you a fairy tale story. Once upon a time, there was a very respectable sultan. He had a beloved daughter, a fair princess named Ding Dong. Now, in his castle, there was a clock with the finest mechanism in the world. Therefore, in his castle, nobody was ever late, and they lived happily. And the clock of his neighbor sultan was very, very slow. So everybody in that castle, well, they were always running late for everything. And their life was a complete misery. Now, one day, our Sultan decided to take a vacation to go visit the sea.
Dear daughter, while I'm on vacation, make sure nobody steals the clockwork by accident.
Don't you worry about that, Daddy. Everything is gonna be fine. Did you pack your tanning cream, Daddy?
The neighbor Sultan heard that the princess was home all alone, and he decided right then and there that he was going to steal the clock. Now that night was very, very dark.
Oh, what's gonna happen now? How could you do that? Now we need to go ask Genie for help. I think we need to rub it here.
Your wish is my command. I am the slave of the lamp.
Oh, hello, old man. A terrible thing happened, and I don't know what to do. Our finest clock has been stolen.
It was your neighbor, and you know that she was envious of you.
Our neighbor? Can we chase him down?
Oh, it is flying again at my age. Tell me, is the weather good for flying? That's it, we're done. Not going any farther now. My good chimney is broken.
Good chimney? What's good about it? It's all rusty. I'll tell my dad, and he will jam you in with a cork.
Well, I'm not afraid of you at all. Abracadabra.
Oh, those genies. Never mind, we're almost there. What a dirty place.
Why? Why don't you work? And why is my castle still so dirty?
Shame on you. You're a sultan. You should clean your castle instead of stealing other people's clocks.
Huh?
Fair princess, may I have the pleasure to offer you my comfortable flying carpet for a ride?
Oh, my Prince Charming. I didn't keep my eye on the clock and it was stolen, but we got it back, and from now on, we will live happily ever after.
The clock has nothing to do with it, sweetie. You don't need the finest clockwork to be punctual and true to your word. And it's far more important to be considerate and diligent, my lovely little daughter. Do you understand?
Yes, I do. I understand.
And they all lived happily ever after.
I think I understand it too. I will never be late again as long as I live.
Here are the rules. We count till 100 and you hide. If we catch you, you lose.
And what if we catch you?
Haha, then we will lose.
Hey guys, what game is this?
Indians and cowboys.
I'm with you. I will be an Indian named Ethan Chib Loudbeep.
And I...
Who said you could play with us? Have you ever seen an Indian with glasses? George, that's right. An Indian cannot wear glasses.
Yes, I know that.
Wait, I've got an idea. I know how to beat the pale faces.
That's a great idea.
We're moving.
You can't run from us.
Indians do not give up. Oh, ouch, 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 ouch. Oh.
Ouch.
Oh, George, how are you doing?
I'm sad. You're playing, huh?
We're playing. I need to be at the old depot in 5 minutes, but I spun my wheel. If the cowboys catch me, then the Indians lose. What now? He ran away. Where can we find him?
Shh. I think I've already found him.
You to the right, you to the left. Let's catch him. Give up, red face. You're trapped.
How can I be a red face? Have you ever seen an Indian with glasses?
Hey, pale faces, give up. You are surrounded.
That's not fair. You're cheating.
No, we played fair. It's called a military trick.
Well, that means we've lost the game.
George, you did a great job. We could have never won without your help.
You look like a real Indian.
Come on, how can I be an Indian? And you will call me the glass eye? The real Indian is not the one with a feather on his head, but the one who's a friend indeed.
And we will call you the Brave Heart.
Hey friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes.